In this video, we're going to be looking at the difference between a recipe and a meal and defining what they are. So a recipe is essentially something that you cook or bake. You process it. You take a set of instructions that tell you how to prepare it, and you take a list of what ingredients are required to make it, and you turn it into something that's cooked, or you turn it into something that's baked, either on the oven or in the oven. So that's a recipe. Whereas a meal is a collection of foods. If you think of a plate and you put foods onto it, they may be processed foods, they might be formulas, drinks, previously cooked or baked recipes can be included into a meal. And so a meal is assembled together. And that's the main difference. Our patients gave us feedback on wanting to deal with recipes and meals differently. And so in KetoSuite, you'll see that we have separate keto calculators for meals and recipes.